Okay, so I'm just gonna have to go here. We have a new composition, and then yeah, you want to change the duration because it lasts about 10. I see here the duration. So you're gonna have to go, in fact, here in composition and composition settings, and then here you will see duration. So just change this to, let's say, 4 points, and then I'm gonna click on OK. And now here, as you can see, it's changed the duration. We can also zoom out and we see that we have a different duration. Now also, when you start a new project, a new composition, here you should see the duration. But if you didn't do it right now, you missed this part and you forgot to change duration, you can still go here to composition, composition settings, and you can still change duration from here. Yeah, that's where you have to go. You just have to go here. I hope I saved you time and you learned something. Subscribe for more, and thanks for watching, and take care.